Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 13. This is Section 2.1, Problem 13. It says simplify the fraction 0 over 8. So when you have 0 as the numerator of a fraction, the answer is 0, whatever the denominator is, with one exception. That one exception is if the numerator or top of the fraction is 0, but the bottom or denominator is also 0. That's one case where the numerator of the fraction doesn't give you an automatic 0. 0 over 0 is undefined. All other cases, 0 over a non-zero denominator will simplify to 0.